my dear brother, colleague, in-law, and ally, Governor Wike. All the other excellencies that are present here, distinguished senators, members, House of Representatives, other leaders and elders from the geopolitical zones, the 6 geopolitical zones of Nigeria, and in particular, the leaders and elders of River State. Let me, on behalf of my brother, first say thank you to all of you that have contributed one way or the other to purchase this form. You said your friends of Wike. Me, I'm also putting money together to purchase my own form. So half of you is good enough because I'm not buying presidential. I'm buying the smaller one. So half of you. Well, our country is at a crossroad, and also our party. I've said few things in the past, and I'll repeat one or two of them just now. Governor Wike, you can see he's energetic. He has the energy. He has the drive. We are Democrats. I said it in the past that this work is not for people that are tired. This is a work that does not preclude, it doesn't preclude anybody from exercising, their democratic right. But if you look at places around the world, energy and drive is something that you cannot wish away. He's also of the right age. We're about the same age. He's senior me by only 2 weeks. And in terms of intellect and commitment to a united, progressive Nigeria, he is also there. So we are moving in the right direction. Well, I'll say to others that may also want to purchase their own forms, not Governor Fayose now, because his own form, we will seize it in the Southwest. They are free to go and collect their forms. They are free to tell us who they are, what they have achieved, and their plans for Nigeria. You may not like his style, but there are certain things that are very clear. Is he committed to a united Nigeria? Yes. Does he have the intellectual capacity for this job? Yes. Does he have the drive? Yes. So you can collect your form if you wish. But for us, we're desirous of a new Nigeria. Yes. And please, I will also implore those other contestants, aspirants. Please, let's focus on issues. Don't attack individuals. Don't attack personalities. Tell us what you can offer us. But we know that this, my young elder brother, will do us proud, and we will be behind him. We will support him, and we will jointly deliver a new Nigeria. Thank you, and God bless you.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.